my demo of the presentation of the video, graphic, and multimedia presentation for writings on 360 gallery. So what happens here, this is the window, this is the programming that I used, the patches are here. The programming language I'm using are PureData, which is quite popular right now for processing audio and visuals. In terms of artists, I'm using PureData because of the flexibility, and the graphic programming language is very suited and intuitive for artists. So you can see now, here is the console. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Here is the console for the program. I'm using the patches, creating the patches from community patches plus patches of my own. So this right here is the output. In a presentation situation, it would be projected on walls, and a microphone from the processors, maybe laptops, would be used in order to create a certain interactive environment. So after this one is projected on the wall, audiences will be able to use microphone to interact with the images. Right now you can see that it's quite in an ideal state. So should I modulate the images, it would be very much like this. But this is I'm doing this manually. Okay, but in terms of presentation environment, the modulation right here would be controlled using microphones attached to processors, which is the laptop on the gallery lah. Okay, right now I'm going to compute audio, start the presentation. Okay, you can see that it started to create a series of movements, quite chaotic actually. You are seeing jitters because I'm talking to the mics, and the mic capturing my voice. Okay, every time I'm talking, you see here it renders certain series of numbers that will in turn react with the images. This is actually quite a simple image. So with the mic, I'm only able to please take note that as I'm talking, the mic are capturing my voice, and so the image are actually responding to my voice. Currently the mic is used to control only the position of the images instead of other variables such as color, background, and so on and so forth. This is a little demo I'm using. Okay, I'm going to show you a little demo if I'm to change the background, the flexibility of the programming. So you can see that I could change the color. The patches are all here. Let me go to full screen mode. So this is it in full screen. The aim of the presentation is to complement on John Burgess' presentation about the possibilities of production towards westernized observation on art and aesthetics. So with the presentation, this digital presentation, I believe that the authority of investigation had come along a full circle since John Burgess. It is now back to the viewers, and the audiences are in command of the observation, and in fact the identity of utilitarian among digital presentations are quite similar, in my opinion, to Islamic sense of aesthetics. This is the argument that I'm trying to push right now, which actually complements on John Burgess' observation on the observation of aesthetics among westernized ideals lah. For further information, I would like it would be preferable to refer to the artist's own writings regarding these critiques. Very simple presentation, involves a little degree of interactivity, and also involves the control of aesthetic values by the artist himself. It's about the interaction between the viewers and the visual surface itself. Please reminded that the video you are seeing are in a quite low sample of resolution, so seeing this on YouTube would be very different from seeing it live. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.